Okay, so here we are at the Total Appliance little training room, and this is the infamous latch for the twin duet Whirlpool or Maytag or Bosch or Eurotech washer machine latch. Also, the dryer has the same latch assembly, and it's a little bit intricate, especially if you guys find it that somebody's worked on it before you got there and now you don't really know how the little parts go. Now, first of all, I'm going to show you what actually breaks on this latch. This latch has a little piece of plastic that comes across here, and this is where this part, the latch, actually pivots on. And you know, people pull it and slap it and pull it and it finally breaks. So the best way to do this is to assemble it outside the housing, and then you just slip it in there and it works. Now, this is very simple. So we have this spring here, and you see these tabs at the end, that tab and that tab at the end. When you place the spring over this tabs have to be on the higher position so that when you put it on the housing, it makes tension and pressure on this. Now there's also another spring in there that has two little tabs, as you can see right here and right here. And what happens with these tabs is they go underneath the plastic actuator for the handle. Now I'm gonna flip this over so you see how it looks like from the other end. Now that spring comes around and it connects to the bottom. See this catch? This actually latch on the bottom of this latch, and it connects here. So when it goes under this and it's over here, now it's producing more tension on this part, so that when you close the door, it actually moves forwards and closes, because if you don't do it this way, it will not work. Now, it is imperative that you have this latch in this position, this wire, because if you don't, if you have this one on the bottom, it's not going to give you the tension that you need. So once it's assembled, like so, okay, this part now is going to go on here. Yeah, you put it in there, Clifton. And then we have two screws. See how the wire tab goes. Let me show them over here for a minute. The wire tab over here is on the upside of this. So that's how it's got to go. If it doesn't go like this, the latch is not going to work. So now this is screwed. It's already set for the torque. Make sure not to super torque this, because you will strip the plastic. Now, one way to check this to see if it has tension, you tug on this. And you have what you want. Before it wasn't like this, right, Ginny? It will stay halfway. And that's because the plastic is not on the right position. So now we're just going to reassemble everything, and that should be the end of it. So I'm going to put this on a drop box. And assistant technicians take 111, 124, and almighty 122. So
he's the new Felix.